to the English word power lesson 2. In this lesson, we will learn more homophones which oftenly confuse us. So let's start. Be attentive and listen it very carefully. Now look at these words. Bail, bail. B-A-I-L, bail means security. He was released on bail. B-A-L-E, bail means bundle. Many bales of cotton were burnt. Next words are aspire, expire. A-S-P-I-R-E. Aspire means desire eagerly. We should aspire for success in life. E-X-P-I-R-E, expire means come to an end. This medicine has expired. Ceiling, ceiling. C-E-I-L-I-N-G, ceiling means inner roof. There is a crack in the ceiling of the room. S-E-A-L-I-N-G, ceiling means close with a seal. The parcel has been sealed with the tape. So did you notice? Both the words have same pronunciation but different spelling, different meanings. Now be very careful while pronouncing these words. Defy, defy. D-E-F-Y, defy means refuse to obey. He defied his parents. Defy, D-E-I-F-Y means worship or regard. She was deified as the goddess of wealth. Let's go ahead. Look at these words. Cord, cord. C-O-R-D, cord means rope. She cut the cord with a knife. C-H-O-R-D, cord means wire. A straight line joining any 2 points in a curve. Forgo, forgo. F-O-R-G-O. Forgo means give up. He will forgo the bad habit of smoking. Forgo. F-O-R-E-G-O means go before. I will follow if you forgo. Now, straight, straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight means direct. He went straight to her. S-T-R-A-I-T, straight means narrow or very difficult. Straight is the gate to heaven. Now move on to other homophones. Soul, soul. S-O-L-E, soul means only. I am the sole proprietor of my firm. S-O-U-L, soul means spirit. It is believed that soul never dies. Guys, be more attentive to spellings. Usually we do mistakes in spellings. Temper, temper. T-E-M-P-E-R. Temper means mood. He is a man of short temper. Temper, T-A-M-P-E-R. Temper means interfere. Someone tampered with the machines. Waste, waste. W-A-S-T-E, waste means worthless. He wasted his time in gossips. Waist, W-A-I-S-T, waist means back. The ballet dancers have a slender waist. Weather, weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather means climate. If the weather permits, we will play a cricket match on Sunday. W-H-E-T-H-E-R, weather means if or if not. She will have to do this work whether she likes it or not. Quiet, quiet. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet means calm. Introspection is easier if it is quiet around us. Q-U-I-T-E, quiet means completely. He was quite innocent in that case. If you watch and listen these words 2-3 times, they will set in your mind. Next words are team, team. T-E-A-M, team means a group of persons. Team India always wins the champion series. Team, T-E-E-M, team means to be full of. This lake teems with big fishes. Medal, medal. M-E-D-A-L, medal means roundel. India is getting medals in the international sports. Medal, M-E-D-D-L-E, medal means interfere. Meddling in others' affairs is a bad habit. Petrol, petrol. Patrol, patrol means visiting ground. Army soldiers are patrolling during lockdown. Petrol, Petrol, petrol means fuel. Petrol prices are rising day by day. Metal, 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 metal means alloy. I need a hard metal for this machine. Mettle, metal means zeal or courage. His metal is extraordinary. Lesson, 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 lesson means chapter. I have revised this lesson. Lesson, Lesson, lesson means reduce. You should lessen your expenses. Fare, 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 fare means cartage. Airfare is very high these days. Fare, Fair, fare means fate. Trade fair was in full swing last year. Naughty, 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 naughty means mischievous. There are many naughty children in this class. Knotty, naughty means complicated. Corona has become a naughty problem now. Feet, 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 feet means plural of foot. These shoes are tight for my feet. Feat, feet means stunt. The circus feats attracted the audience a lot. Hail, 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 hail means frozen raindrops. Yesterday hailstorm destroyed the crops. Hale, hail means healthy. He is quite hale and hearty. Drought, draft. Drought, drought means dry. A severe drought has destroyed the crops completely. Draft, Draft means a blow of air. A draft of cold air made me uncomfortable. Block, block. Block means group. Today the world is divided into two major blocks. Block means section. The floor was made of wooden blocks. Beer, beer. Beer means alcoholic drink. Beer is not good for health. Bear, bear means animal. We saw a bear in the zoo. Gate, gate. Gate means door. Someone is opening the gate. Gate means manner of walking. I can recognize him by his gait. Idle, idle. Idle means lazy. You should not sit idle. Idol, idle means statue. Hindus worship idols. Pole, pole. Pole means pillar. The ball hit the pole. Pole means voting. He was not here during the last poll. Queen, queen. Queen, queen means highness. I have met the Queen Elizabeth. Queen, queen means impudent. Always avoid the company of a queen. Raise, raise. Raise means uplift. The government has raised the price of paper. Raise means knock down. Many cities were razed by earthquake. Tear, tear. Tear means eye water or rip off. She burst into tears. Why did you tear my book? Tear, tear means layer. Her birthday cake had 3 tears. I hope you all must have understood all these words. If you still have some problems, you can comment me in the comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll come back with more videos. Till then, bye bye.